Welcome to the Workspace. This is the central home for everything that happens inside an organization in Todd Insight. Think of it as a dedicated room where all work, all people, and all tools come together. In this tutorial, I will guide you through each part of the Workspace, explaining what it represents and how it supports your work. We begin at the top of the page, where the Workspace introduces itself. Here you see the Workspace name, the date it was created, and your role inside it. This header is your orientation point. It tells you where you are, who owns the Workspace, and what level of access you have. It is the identity card of the Workspace. Just below the header, you find the main navigation. These are the functional areas that make up the Workspace. Projects, members, templates, messages, settings, and deleted items. Each of these areas opens a different part of the organizational environment. You can think of them as the pillars that structure the Workspace. Let's start with projects, because this is where the real work happens. A project represents an initiative, a client engagement, or a development process. Inside a project you will find surveys, insights, actions, and everything related to that specific piece of work. The Workspace gives you an overview of all projects, and allows you to create new ones when needed. Next, we have members. This section shows who has access to the Workspace. Workspaces are shared environments, and the members area helps you understand who can see, edit, and collaborate on the work. It is the foundation for teamwork and controlled access. Templates are the building blocks of your surveys and assessments. They allow you to create structured surveys quickly and consistently. Templates ensure that every project can reuse proven and standardized instruments when creating surveys. Messages provide communication inside the Workspace. They allow members to share updates, coordinate work, and keep discussions connected to the projects they belong to. Because messages live inside the Workspace, context is never lost. Settings is where you configure parts of the Workspace's behavior. This is where Workspace owners or administrators manage the company logo, AI bring your own key settings, support access, and other Workspace level options. Finally, the deleted section acts as a recovery zone. Projects removed from the Workspace are not gone forever. They can be restored if needed, giving you a safe way to manage changes without losing important information. Thank you for your time, and for exploring the Workspace with me. Bye.